So that led me to with the Boys and Girls Club, which was crazy because I was over ratio, and I'm kind of outside my comfort zone too. I'm not no teacher, I'm a designer. So I'm outside my comfort zone. The second day I started work, somebody stole my car. So when I tell somebody this story, they stole my car, I would have quit. The thing is that this is before the graphic design program. This is before all it is. So if I would have quit, I wouldn't be standing in front of y'all. So the thing is that I was kind of barking instructions to them, and they kind of wasn't engaging, so I ignored them. I came back from Weapons of Mass Creation, so pumped from Ink Wars, what Lady was talking about, I started practicing. I ignored them. Look at that pink puff. I used to be... It's all about image, so they need to see somebody they handed me some orange t-shirts, and I'm coming in there looking like the president. This is one thing that I forgot to talk about, is that this is leading from the bottom, from the grassroots. You would think that a CEO is the leader, but you can lead from the bottom because it's engaging with the kids. So it's connecting with them. So anybody can do it. It's about that culture. So after the Boys and Girls Club, I see some consultants coming in doing specialized work. My background is doing designs and stuff. Go ahead and take the picture. I had to warm up, man. I was stumbling in front. I hope y'all erase that part. I was just like, what the freeze up here? Goodness grief. I talked to my man last night. He's like, you cool? I'm like, yeah, I got it, man. I do this all day. And got up here and was like, oh, what the hell? Because I'm about to run out of here and stay tell Lenny to start over again. Cool interest and triple this thing coming up here crazy, bro. Insane. So I started the graphic design program. They went with the idea. I resigned, came back in as a consultant, and the corporate was like, whoa, what? They kind of was like tripping a little bit. They made a clause after I did that, like anybody else that come in can't, they have to be here a year before they can do that. Because all the staff was like, we want to be consultants too. So I come in doing specialized work. I had like 3 computers. So this is me right here doing exposure week. So exposure week is me just sitting down with a bunch of kids and kind of telling them and showing them some stuff on a laptop. So I'm kind of telling them that they can win.
This much dream of a lifetime. Masquerade.